Today I am unboxing the SAZABI Ver.Ka photo etch set from Anchoret. The photo etch set was created to be paired with Anchoret's resin conversion kit for the SAZABI Ver.Ka. I do have a copy of Anchoret's original SAZABI Ver.Ka resin kit from Infinite Dimension, but this should still do the trick. Alright, so here are the photo etch parts out of the packaging. There are 2 large plates and 1 small. And now here's a closer look. I wanted to give a huge shout out to Dave from Dave's World here on YouTube. You may remember him as the Gunpla Meister. Dave was kind enough to ship over a set of the photo etch parts for me to use when I began building my SAZABI conversion kit. He has a huge backlog of great content, including Gunpla kit reviews, live stream builds, resin kit tutorials, hobby tool reviews, photo and video hardware reviews, and much more. Please check out Dave's channel and subscribe. Thanks again.